In a world where the road never ends, and expectations are higher than ever, there is a machine built not just to move you, but to define you. Introducing the Lexus LX600, a full-size luxury SUV crafted for those who demand power without compromise and comfort without equal. From the very first glance, the LX600 makes its presence known. The bold spindle grille stands tall and proud, framed by razor-sharp LED headlights that cut through darkness like light itself. This is not just design. This is identity. Every line of the body tells a story of strength. Muscular yet refined. Aggressive yet elegant. A silhouette that commands attention. Whether it's parked in a luxury showroom or charging through rugged terrain, step inside, and the world outside fades away. You're welcomed by a cabin where craftsmanship meets technology. Premium leather wraps every surface. Real wood and metal accents reflect timeless luxury. Soft ambient lighting creates an atmosphere of calm, turning every journey into an experience. Take a seat. Feel the comfort. This is where long drives become effortless, and short trips feel like first class. At the heart of the cockpit, a large digital display rises with clarity and purpose. Navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, all seamlessly integrated, all within easy reach. Every button, every dial, designed for intuition. Behind the wheel, you don't just drive the LX600, you command it. Under the hood lives true power. A twin-turbo V6 engine engineered to deliver strong acceleration and smooth performance. Whether you're gliding through city streets or climbing steep mountain roads, this is power you can feel, yet refinement you can trust. On the highway, the LX600 cruises with silence and stability. The road disappears beneath you. The world slows down, and all that remains is confidence. But when the pavement ends, the LX600 is just getting started. With advanced all-wheel drive, multi-terrain select, and intelligent suspension systems, this luxury SUV transforms into a true off-road beast. Desert dunes, rocky trails, snow-covered paths, rain-soaked roads. No matter the challenge, the LX600 answers with control. Watch it carve through sand, kicking up dust under golden sunlight. See it climb mountains, with the sky stretching wide above. Feel its grip in winter, as snow falls and headlights glow through the storm. This is where luxury meets adventure. And for those riding in the back, the journey is just as special. Spacious rear seats offer exceptional legroom, reclining comfort, and a peaceful ride. Optional rear entertainment screens turn the cabin into a private theater. This isn't just transportation. It's a moving luxury lounge. Whether it's family, friends, or business on the go, everyone arrives relaxed. Safety is not an option here. It's a promise. The Lexus safety system surrounds you with intelligent features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance technologies, all working together to protect what matters most. Because true luxury means peace of mind. And then there's the detail, the subtle glow of ambient light at night, the satisfying click of a perfectly crafted button, the silence of a cabin engineered to block the world outside. These are the moments you don't see on paper, but you feel in every mile. From neon-lit city nights, where reflections dance across wet roads, to coastal highways at sunset, with the ocean stretching endlessly beside you. the LX600 belongs in every scene. It adapts. It performs. It inspires. The Lexus LX600 is not built for one type of driver. It's built for those who lead, for those who explore, for those who refuse to choose between strength and sophistication. Because here, you don't have to. This is more than an SUV, more than luxury, more than power. This is a statement that says you've arrived, and you're ready for whatever lies ahead. So whether your road leads through the heart of the city, across open highways, or beyond where maps dare to go, one thing is certain. With the Lexus LX600, every journey becomes unforgettable. Lexus LX600. Luxury without limits, power with purpose, and confidence in every drive.